Recommended tattoo tools for self-learning. Common tattooing tools can be classified into 4 categories: hand needles, electromagnetic tattoo machines, rotary machines, tattoo pens. From these 4 categories, we can choose the easiest tool to get started with. The first category: hand needle tattooing, single needle tattooing, Thai magical tattooing, Japanese teberi tattooing, and tribal totem tattooing. Low efficiency and poor accuracy, not recommended. The second category: electromagnetic tattoo machines, such as traditional tattoo machines. It has loud noise and require tedious adjustment and needle installation, so not recommended for early self-learning use. The third category: rotary machines, such as slider machines, eccentric wheel direct drive machines, and cam motor machines. Recommended grade. The fourth category: tattoo pens, such as direct drive, pedal drive, wired pens, and wireless pens. Have easy needle installation, switching, and needle protrusion adjustment, and are recommended. Here is the Zero Knowledge System classroom. Begin with the introduction of tattoo pen kit. You can start your journey into tattooing and save a lot of time, allowing you to quickly master the skills of tattooing. I am Zero. Farewell.